Greetings students. Today we are going to learn about one of China's leading company, China Railway Engineering Corporation. Let us know this company in a much better way. The China Railway Engineering Corporation is a large-scale state-owned construction company in the People's Republic of China under the supervision of the State Council of the People's Republic of China. By revenue, CREC is the largest construction company in the world in the 2012 Engineering News Record Top 225 Global Contractors and ranks number 112 among all multinationals in the Fortune Global 500. Pursuant to that, its controlling shareholder CRECG undertook a macro reorganization. China Railway Group Limited, China Railway, was established as a joint stock company with limited liability under PRC law on September 12, 2007, with a registered capital of RMB 12.8 billion, which is 100% held by CRECG. The history of China Railway Group Limited can be traced back to the Construction Bureau and the Design Bureau of the Ministry of Railways, established in 1950. Currently, China Railway is a super large integrated construction group that encompasses infrastructure construction, survey, design and consulting services, engineering, equipment and component manufacturing, property development and other businesses. China Railway Group Limited has 46 subsidiaries, including 28 wholly owned subsidiaries, 15 holding subsidiaries, 4 branch companies and 3 joint venture subsidiaries. In the year of 2005 and 6, China Railway was the 4th and 3rd largest construction company in the world respectively. In 2007, CREC was ranked 342 in the Fortune Global 500 companies and listed the 417th in the world's 500 most influential brands and the 13th in China's top 500 enterprises. As of June 30, 2007, China Railway has 3 members of the Chinese Academy of Engineering, 7 National Survey and Design Master, approximately 390 professor-level senior engineers and approximately 8,000 senior technical personnel. With many technological achievements of independent intellectual property rights, China Railway had won 70 Lubin Prizes, 64 National Supreme Quality Project Prizes, 72 National Advanced Science and Technology Prizes, as well as 202 patents, 61 National Levels Engineering Methods and 359 Provincial and Ministry Level Engineering Methods. With the corporate motto of strive to challenge limits and achieve excellence, China Railway Group Limited has participated in the construction of all domestic major railway lines and constructed, rebuilt and extended a total length of above 50,000 kilometers, accounting for more than 2/3 of total operating length of railway lines constructed in the PRC. In November 2007, CREC announced that it would be listing its shares and H shares on the Shanghai and Hong Kong respectively. The IPO price of A share ranged from 4 to 4.8 Chinese yuan, while that of H share ranged from 5.03 to 5.78 Hong Kong dollar. CREC joined the Hang Seng China Enterprises Index from 10 March 2008. in support of a cross-country railway building boom in Venezuela. CREC began constructing in 2009 of the Anaco-Tinaco Railroad, an $800 million USD project to building a 471-kilometer high-speed railway line through the agriculture belt. This company appeared to break new ground in the European Union in 2009 when the COVEC subsidiary along with two Chinese partners were awarded the tender to construct two parts of the A2 highway in Poland. The project began well in the design and preparation stages with COVEC demonstrating technical acumen, but work ran aground at later stages because of mismanagement within a tight regulatory framework, ending in failure for COVEC and replacement by other contractors. China Railway Group Limited is the largest integrated railway construction contractor in China. Railway construction is the core business of CREC. Since the 1950s, we have been participating in the construction of all major railways lines in China, including Qinghai Tibet Railway, the highest railway line in the world, Tadong Qinhuangdao Railway, the longest heavy haul railway in China, Chengdu Kunming Railway, one of the most geologically challenging railway construction projects, and Beijing Kowloon Railway, the longest south to north trunk railway line in China connecting Beijing to Hong Kong. Up to now, CREC has successfully undertaken the construction of more than 100 rail lines. The total length of the newly constructed, extended and rebuilt lines constructed by CREC is about 50,000 kilometers. Until June 30, 2007, CREC has constructed approximately two-thirds of the total operation length of railway lines in China, including 22,600 kilometers of electrified railway, which is around 95% of the total in China. CREC is dominant leader in building highly complex, ultra-long railway bridge. We have independently constructed or participated in the construction of all railway bridges and railway and road dual-purpose bridges crossing the Yangtze River or the Yellow River. We have completed a total length of over 2,700 kilometers of railway bridges, including railway and road dual-purpose bridges, and over 2,800 kilometers of railway tunnels in China. We also construct signaling and communication system for railway use and have constructed several major railway stations in China, including the Beijing Railway Station, Nanjing Railway Station and Lhasa Railway Station. CREC holds a large share of the Chinese construction market and participates in many large-scale infrastructure projects overseas, especially in countries in the Southeast Asia and Africa. In addition to the core business of construction, the company does business in surveying and designing, installation, manufacturing, R&D, technical consulting, capital management, as well as international economic and trade activities. So students, we got to know about the various aspects of China Railway Engineering Corporation. Hope you must have got useful information about the company. Have a good day.